Angat Pinay. Hindi lang sa Pinas kundi pati na rin dito sa Hong Kong. Maraming mga kababayan nating Pinay ang nagpapatunay na sa anumang hamon ng buhay, patuloy silang lalaban para sa kanilang mga pangarap. Tulad na lamang nina Erica at Eliza na nagtatrabaho sa Dara, isang proudly Pinoy restaurant na puro mga kapwa Pinoy rin ang mga staff. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga karaniwang hamon na hinaharap ng isang babae, lalo na't sila'y nasa dayuhang bayan? Isang kwentuhang puno ng kapupulutang aral kasama si Tito Boy.
Narito po kami sa Dara Restaurant dito ho sa Hong Kong kung saan napakasarap po ng pagkain. And this has become a convergence zone ng ating mga kababayan, mga locals dito po sa Hong Kong. At nakakatuwa lamang na sa likod po ng napakagandang lugar na ito at sa likod ng tagumpay na ito ay mga kababayan natin, mga Pinay. Proudly Pinay.
Proudly Pinay.
Loud and proud.
Yes, we have Erica and Eliza. Chef, kumusta ang buhay dito?
As a chef or as a Filipina chef?
Both.
As a chef, it's always been hard.
Bakit?
Starting off kasi in a male-dominant industry, especially culinary-wise, it's very difficult for women, especially young girls, to start off. And then being Filipina, not knowing the local language. But so far, at the end of it, now it's starting to look great because there's a lot of recognition towards Filipino culture and cuisine.
Ano naman ang iyong job description, Ika, for lack of a better phrase?
General manager po ako here sa Dara. So I'm everyone's bridge. From kitchen to floor to bar. I'm also yung parang second ni boss.
Portal ka po.
Gaano karami ang Pilipino dito sa Dara Restaurant?
Everyone's Filipino.
We're
We're all Filipino.
Ang sarap.
Pure Filipino for the Filipinos.
Ay. But before this, you used to be with other restaurants? Or how long have you been in Hong Kong?
I was born and raised here. Kaya nung first ko mag-apply dito, sabi ko kay Kuya Jer, this is me embracing my heritage and culture. It's my first time sa Filipino food, mostly classically Western trained kasi po ako.
Sa pamamaraan, sa pamamagitan po ng Dara, you're able to embrace your culture, your heritage.
I'm reintroduced.
Diba?
Yeah.
Nice. And then, how long have you been here? No?
Born here, pero I grew up in the Philippines po. And then bumalik na lang po here to work. Before Dara, I used to work sa Filipino rin po, in Central Filipino Restaurant.
There are things that are really meant to happen in our lives. Okay, anybody married? Raising children?
I have a son po, yes. I have
You
a
have?
son. Yes, big boy.
Kumusta maging ina dito sa Hong Kong?
As a single parent, very, very hard. Pero also, lucky po ako na dito sa Hong Kong kasi maganda yung education, yung system. So it's a government school, but it's also a good school.
How is your life? Romantic life,
I'm actually bisexual.
Okay.
I have a girlfriend. She's
How is that
also,
here in Hong Kong?
In Hong Kong itself, there is no gay marriage. There's
Wala pa?
Wala pa. Ang meron lang ngayon is civil partnership.
Which is good enough as a starter.
I think I'm also blessed enough or privileged enough to have grown up in Hong Kong. There's not much discrimination on the LGBTQ community.
I'm glad to realize that it is not as difficult.
It's
Galing.
fine here for my personal experiences.
Anyway, napunta na tayo kung saan-saan, but thank you for making the Philippines proud.
We try our best.
Maraming salamat talaga.
Thank
Salamat
you,
po,
thank
Tito
you.
Boy.
And please invite everybody to your restaurant.
Kung nandito po kayo around the area, Saing Poon Station, exit A1, please come by sa Dara po.
Yes po, mga kababayan. We're open every night, Mondays to Sundays.
We open at 3:30 Mondays
Right.
to Wednesdays. Thursday to Sunday, we open from 11:30 a.m.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Tulad nina Erica at Eliza, nakasanayan na ng mga Pinoy nating kababayan sa Hong Kong ang magtipon-tipon sa Central tuwing linggo. Kaya naman sa pagkakataong ito, sinorpresa ni na Kuya Alan, Ate Pia at Tito Boy ang mga kababayan natin doon para makipaglaro ng Alan Pia Pig.
Kaitano in action! Dito kami sa Hong Kong, kasama po natin ang ating mga kababayan. Maulan man, pero umaapaw ang pagmamahal ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya dito tayo mag-Alan Pia Pig sa Hong Kong! Maritim, handa na ba kayo? Ready! Alan Pia Pig! Alan Pia Pig! Alan Pia Pig! Congratulations sa ating mga nanalo, pero sa mga hindi nanalo, hindi kayo uwing luhaan! Jackie, Carmen, Mariel at Mikmik, may chance kayong makalaban. Si Ate Pia at Kuya Alan. Handa na ba kayo? Yes! Tara na! Ate Pia, kasama po natin si Carmen at Jackie para sa Alam Pia Pig!
Yay! Okay, excited na ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am!
So, alam niyo naman yung rules natin, di
Yes,
ba?
boss.
Ang matatalo ay hindi pa rin talo dahil may
Opo.
prize pa naman kay Kuya Larry. Ang mananalo, ako ang kalaban. Okay?
Okay!
Ready?
Ready!
Let's do it!
Alan Pia Pig!
Oh, meron ka pa rin
Yes,
prize.
hello.
You still
Thank
have a
you so
prize.
much.
Yan. Ihanda ka na? Huwag kang nanervyusin kasi kampi ako sa'yo.
Ang lalamig na si Jackie.
Let's do it, Jackie.
Alan Pia Pig!
Alan Pia Pig! May panalo pa rin. Anyway, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so ngayon, doon naman kayo kay Kuya Alan at tuloy-tuloy ang ating kasiyahan sa Alan Pia Pig.
Dito po sa Hong Kong. Dito, Catanduanes versus Masbate. Sino mananalo?
Catanduanes!
Walang matatalo.
Alan Pia Pig!
Pero may premyo ka. Alan Pia Pig. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pig! Thank you!
Ang suswerte naman dito sa Hong Kong. Magaling pala ako pag sa Pilipinas. Pagka dito, silang ano talaga, sila bida. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Yay!
Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda would like to thank Dara.
And Seymada from La Luna Cafe. Come home to a delicious tradition. We're located at 103 ML Quezon Avenue, Hagonoy, Taguig.
7. Visit at B6, Bonifacio High Street, BGC Taguig.